Hey everybody, Rich with Our Little Homestead. Today is 5th day of June 2022 and finally putting in our tomato plants. If you remember from last year, these are our cool tomato trellises that we made. They end up working out really great. And a few things we did different this year. The addition of rabbit poop. Tons of rabbit poop all along our trellises for our tomatoes to feed. And we're also going to put into our tomato holes, we got some Epsom salts. Just gonna put a little teaspoon in. And then we have our calcium carbonate eggshell powder. Now it's bioavailable, and some studies have shown that it's as good or better than what would be agricultural lime. So we're gonna try it out. It's a good use, recycling of our eggshells as opposed to just throwing them away or whatever, So we have them in the powdered form here. So we're gonna try it out and see how it helps our plants. Because it's ready right now, it won't burn the plants. It's pretty well a harmless type of manure to use on your garden, in your garden, as rather it be a tea or directly sowed in with the soil when you're cultivating the soil. So we've never used it before, and some other people had suggested us to try it, so we're going to try it out and see how it helps our plant growth. Luckily, my mother started raising rabbits, so we have a unlimited supply now of rabbit manure that we can sow into our garden. And it doesn't stink that bad. You want to do the plum one? What we got, 9 of them or 12 of them? 57. Yeah, we got enough to do almost the whole row of the plum. don't typically water during the day, but seeing how these are new, fresh transplants, I think it's better just to hit them with the water, get those roots nice and